What is going on, guys? Boy Trent's back in a video, and today we're going to check out and review the Bumpin belt buckle speaker. Now, for those interested in checking them out, we'll leave a link to the product in the comments and description. But let's take a closer look here at the product. This includes a speaker, a belt, a face plate, belt clip, and also a USB charger as well too. It has exceptional sound, strong magnetic backing, lightweight, water resistant, and also Bluetooth connectivity. Okay, so we do have a couple different things inside the box. Here's the instructions, just a couple pages, actually just 5 pages. Here is your USB charger. Here is the belt. Now this is a adjustable belt. The color on this is black. Pretty nice looking belt. Now once again, this is magnetic. So actually this little part right here goes on like that. Pretty cool. Pretty cool little magnetic situations. Boom. 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 And then also this right here, a little clip on, you can attach to the side. And this was everything inside the box. Okay, the belt is on. Now I did have to adjust this a little bit, but once I got it adjusted, it does fit fine now. Now the speaker is not attached yet, but as far as just a belt, I mean, the belt looks pretty nice. Feels pretty good. Like the look. Now, I'm 6'5", weigh around 200 pounds. I'm not real skinny. I'm not really fat. I'm just kind of in the middle, I guess. So, no problems with me as far as the size of the waist. Okay, so we will get the speaker connected in just 1 minute, but looking at the instructions is pretty short and sweet. It's just like 4 or 5 pages. The first page over here is showing you what's inside the box, and then pages 2 through 4 is showing you what each of the buttons are and what they do. So for example, here on page number 2, it's showing you the plus button is the volume up, the minus volume down. There's a power on and power off button. Page 3 over here is showing you how to connect to the Bluetooth. Page number 4, just kind of some more information as well too. Music pause, music play, go back to the previous song, the next song. Basically it's just telling you how long to hold the button to do this, so you can pause and read this if you want to. But yeah, basically instructions short and sweet, very easy to understand for sure. But yeah, feel free to pause this and read it if you want to. But I believe we're going to turn this speaker on in just 1 minute and connect it to Bluetooth. Okay, it is time to turn on the speaker, so I believe you just hold the power button for 2 or 3 seconds.
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
Okay, and then click on Bluetooth, and then you should find the new device. There it is, Bumpin belts. That is what it's called under Bluetooth. So yes, we're going to click on that. And we're going to connect it. Okay, we are connected. Let's play some music. Okay, we're connected to the speaker, and we're going to play some music here in just 1 second. And also, yes, we will put this on my belt in just 1 minute as well too. But since we're posting this video to YouTube, I cannot play any like Elvis, can't play any Michael Jackson, Can't play any Prince. Can't play any Drake, Lil Wayne, Dr. Dre. I gotta play some copyright-free music so I don't get in trouble. So we're gonna play this song called Longer Distance by Track Tribe. Sounds pretty good. So okay, we're gonna try the plus button here. Okay, I believe that is the max. It sounds pretty good. Very good quality speaker. I am impressed so far for sure. Okay, we're going to turn it down here in a second. Okay, yeah, you can barely hear it now. So let's turn it back up. Sounds pretty good to me. Okay, the speaker is now attached to the belt. Here is the speaker right here. So this time we're gonna play Back to Portland, copyright-free music by Track Tribe. Now, one question people want to know is, can you hear the speaker from pretty far away? And I'm going to answer that question for you in just 1 second. So you guys see a basketball goal there behind me. We're going to play some basketball here in a second. And actually, I'm going to leave the GoPro here on the table. And I'm going to be way over there shooting some basketball. So what we're testing is, we're going to test and see if you can hear me from pretty far away or not. And I'll let you guys determine that in just 1 second. So guys, let's go shoot some basketball and let's go listen to some music. Okay, so final thoughts here on the speaker. I gotta say, this is a pretty cool product. I mean, whoever had this idea, you had a very interesting idea for sure. You were definitely thinking outside the box. I mean, hey, I like the idea. This is a very interesting product for sure. Very nice looking belt. The speaker sounded great as well too. I mean, it sounded good up close. It sounded good far away. The quality of the speaker sounded very good. I was very impressed with that for sure. But pretty cool, the product. I would recommend this for sure. Also, for those interested in the product, I will leave a link to the product in the comments and description. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys next video. Have a good one. I'm out.